Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Colonbroom GLP-1 weight management, a supplement that promises to support GLP-1 activity for appetite control and weight management. But does it work or just cause bloating? Let's dive in. Colonbroom already has a reputation for being a fiber-based supplement for digestion. This GLP-1 version adds ingredients aimed at appetite regulation and metabolism support. When we tested it, we did notice feeling fuller for longer and less snacking, which helps with calorie control. However, the fiber-heavy formula can cause bloating, gas, and mild nausea in the beginning until your body adjusts. The pros are that it's effective for appetite suppression, supports digestion, and is backed by the science of GLP-1 pathways. The cons are that it's pricey. It may cause discomfort at first, and results depend on staying consistent with both diet and exercise. Overall, Colonbroom GLP-1 is decent if you want appetite support, but be ready for initial bloating. It's not magic, but it's better than a lot of quick fix weight supplements out there. This has been how to literally keep everything smart and simple and scam-free.